Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here. Today I am going to show you how to download Fedora Workstation 40 and install this inside your Windows machine using Virtualbox. So you go to the official website, just search Fedora and in the Google and just go to the official website here, and here you can see the download Fedora Workstation 40 option. Here you can see there just want an ISO file, three option. First one is for Windows, second one for your ARM, like if you have MacBook, and third one Power PC. So I am using the first one. I have already downloaded the file. Okay, just click here on the download option and it will be downloaded. Now open your virtual machine. So if you have VirtualBox, open your VirtualBox. If you have VMware, use your VMware. Just click on new, then click here Fedora Linux. Okay, and then ISO image. If you want to select from here, you can select ISO image from here, but if you don't, I will select it later. Okay, unattended installation, no, we don't want unattended installation. Okay, so just remove this option, we don't want this. Finish. Click on settings, click on system, remove this floppy, make hard disk first bootable, increase the base memory from 2 GB to 4 GB at least. Okay, processor, okay, if you want to increase it, you can increase up to 2 core or 4 core. Now go to storage, click on empty, then go to the right hand side CD logo option, click here, choose the first option, choose create a virtual optical disk, and then select on add, and then go to the folder where you have saved your ISO file, Fedora ISO file. So here is my Fedora server DVD. I just selected it, click on open, click on choose. Now go to network. By default it is NAT. Select here bridge adapter and click on OK. Now done. Okay, now video memory is 16 MB. If you want to change the video memory, you can also change the video memory. Okay, but 16 MB because we are using in VirtualBox, so it's okay. Okay, so you can go with this one. Now click on a start button. So I have start the installation. See the now first option is install Fedora 26 and the second option is test this media to install Fedora 26. If we don't want to test, direct go to install Fedora 26. So I just press enter on install Fedora 26 and installation begin. So this is Fedora. It's asking, do you want to install this in Hindi? No, I want this in English. So click on continue. Then you can see date and time, all this automatically detected, everything automatically detected. Fedora selection, Fedora server edition, network host, okay. Installation destination, here you have to click and select the partition. So the 15 GB space which you have selected, so it will be here, and now click on done, and now you can click on begin installation. Now time to set the password. You have to set the root password. Root is the user. Set a strong password here. I set the strong password and click on done. Okay, now the installation is going on, and in this way Fedora will be installed inside your system. That's all you have to do. But if you want to learn the complete setup, just wait and watch how I am going to set up all those things. There are some few things which you need to know at the end, few settings which you need to make it, which you need to configure it to work your Fedora Linux properly. Remember, you can use this, you can directly install this on your Windows PC, on your or Intel motherboard or AMD motherboard, or in your PC or in your laptop, whatever you are using, you can directly install it. I am just showing you how to install it using the Virtualbox. Okay, so using virtualization software, I am showing you the installation process, how it looks, how it feels. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So it's configuring the kernel. It's almost done. Almost done. Okay. You can see in the right hand side there is a user creation option. If you want, that's optional. You can also create user. So I have already set root password. Root is your admin user. So we already have root. So we don't need any other user right now. If you want, you can configure the user manually from inside after logging the Linux machine. So you can see total package 538. Out of that, most of the installed. Okay. And it's almost done. It's finishing the installation. Need to do some work, install LibreOffice. Okay, done. Installation complete. You need to reboot. So click on reboot button. And I clicked on reboot button, restart button. Fedora Server Edition. Press enter. It will automatically start. Just wait. Don't get panic when you see this option. Error, failed to send log. Okay, it's not a problem at all. Now you can see you can remotely log into this Fedora Linux machine using this. You can see this HTTPS 192.168.29.148. This is the IP address and the port number is 9090. So let me try to log in remotely in this Linux machine through the browser, through another PC. The IP address is 148 and port number is 9090. So I open my browser, type IP address 192.168.29. Let me check the IP address again. 148.29.148 and colon port number 9090. Press enter here. It's saying you will see this like your connection is not private. So you will see this option. Just click on advanced, then click on continue and save. Then here you can see it's asking username, Fedora Edition, root. It's asking password, Red Hat. Sorry, no, I am not Red Hat. My password is another thing. Let me type the password again, correct password, and login. And you can see this is my Fedora Linux. I'm logging to my Fedora Linux remotely. This one is remote login, okay? And you can see all the details. You can see you can also create an account here. You can see the services running in my Fedora. You can open the terminal here and you can run your work, like you can run ls command, you can run ifconfig command to check your IP address. Okay, you can create file here or you can check file list here if any file here. So you can see anaconda case.cfg, this is the file. You can run cal command to see the calendar. Okay, you can run date command to see the date and time. If you want to create a directory, you can create a directory like mkdir data. So it will create a directory named data. You can see. And if you want to go inside data directory, you can go inside data directory. If you want to create some files here like touch a.z.exe, so it will create file from A to Z. You can see A to Z, a.exe, b.exe, c.exe up to z.exe files has been created here. If you want to delete them, you can also delete them using rm-rf star.exe and all the files will be deleted. So you can do whatever you want. You can also reboot the system, shut down the system. You can do anything you want. So now this is your Fedora Linux. If you want to log in here, you can just run here root and the password. And you are inside your Fedora Linux machine locally. If you want remotely, use the previous method. In this way, you can install and run Fedora inside your virtual machine, real machine, wherever you want. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.